students. Today we are going to start next class reptilia of superclass Tetrapoda. Reptilia class is a class of creeping or crawling vertebrates. That means the vertebrates which crawl or creep in their locomotion. This class has 6,000 species and now habitat. They are first truly terrestrial because previous class, that is amphibia, they are not truly terrestrial. They are amphibious. They can live on land as well as in water, but they are first truly terrestrial. Their lives only depend on land. But few are secondary aquatic. What is the meaning of secondary aquatic? That means the female lay egg on land, but for development they goes into aquatic. So they are called secondary aquatic, like turtles. All types of land part they can survive, but जो ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड प्लेसेस है वहाँ पर ये नहीं रह सकते. बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स: हेड, neck, trunk and tail. Appendages, they have 2 pair limbs and limbs are pentadactyl. That means they have 5 digits in their limbs. Digits have claws and in snakes, और जो स्नेक हैं और जो कुछ लिजर्ड्स हैं, these appendages are lows. Skin are dry, rough, horny and it contains few glands. Endoskeleton is skull is monochondric, ribs and sternum also present. In exoskeleton they have scales, plates, shield, scutes, etc. There are special phenomena that is molting occurs. Molting, that means जो ये एनिमल्स होते हैं जैसे स्नेक है, तो ये क्या करते हैं, अपनी स्किन को कास्ट करते हैं पीरियोडिकली. ये अपनी जो आउटर स्किन है उसको रिमूव छोड़ देते हैं और नई स्किन जो है वो डेवलप हो जाती है. तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड मोल्टिंग. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन बोथ जार्स, बट टर्टल जो है उनमें टीथ एब्सेंट होते हैं. और इनमें भी क्लोएका है जो कि एक कॉमन एक कॉमन सैक है जिसमें डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम और गोनोडक्ट, दैट मीन्स रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम ओपन होता है. इन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम हार्ट इज 3 चैम्बर्ड, बट इन क्रोकोडाइल्स ventricle is partially divided into 2 parts, so they have partially 4 chambered heart. Their RBC is same as amphibian, that means they are oval shaped, biconvex and nucleated. Excretory system, they have metanephric kidneys and urinary bladder is well developed, but this urinary bladder is absent in snakes. They are uricotalic. The animals which are terrestrial, they excrete uric acid, and the animal which are aquatic, they are ureotalic. They excrete urea. They are also poikilothermal, that means they have not constant body temperature. Respiratory system is pulmonary. Pulmonary word is used for lungs. That means they respire through lungs. The sensory system, they have middle and internal ear, but there is no external ear. And in middle ear is also covered with tympanum or eardrum. They have olfactory sac for smell, which is called Jacobson organ. In nervous system, brain is more developed than amphibian and they have 12 pairs cranial nerve mostly, but some exceptions also. In some cases, reproductive system, they are dioecious, that means sexes are separate, male and female are separate. In male, they have copulatory organ and gonoduct opens into cloaca. They show internal fertilization and they are oviparous generally, but in occasionally they are ovoviviparous. Development is direct. There is no larval stage. Some, reptiles, birds and mammals. Three classes of superclass Tetrapoda are called amniotus. This is called amniotus because they have amnion and amniotic fluid around the embryo. So they are called amnitose. Examples of this class: Chelone, that is turtle; Testudo, tortoise; Chameleon, tree lizard; and Crocodilus, that means all crocodiles; and all snakes are kept under this class. This is all about of reptilia.